Volcanoes, openings in the Earth's crust that eject lava, ash, and gases. They form at the boundaries of tectonic plates where two massive slabs of rock meet. There are different types of volcanoes, including shield volcanoes, which are wide and gently sloping like a warrior's shield. Composite volcanoes are tall and conical, like a towering fortress. Cinder cone volcanoes are small and steep, with a single vent or opening at the top. And lava dome volcanoes are shaped like a dome, with lava that's so thick it doesn't flow. Volcanoes can be explosive, creating violent eruptions that can shower ash over entire regions and blow the tops off mountains. Or they can be gentle, with lava that flows out of the sides like a river of molten rock. But no matter what type of volcano it is, they all create fertile soil and new land. When a volcano erupts, it's like a pressure cooker releasing steam. Hot steam and gases escape from the earth, bringing with them ash, cinders, and rocks. Sometimes this happens suddenly and violently, causing an explosion. Other times, the gases escape more slowly, allowing the pressure to build up until it's released in a burst of steam and hot rocks. Explosive eruptions can send ash and gas clouds miles into the air and far beyond the volcano. These eruptions can be dangerous, causing mudslides, avalanches, and pyroclastic flows, superheated mixtures of rock, ash, and gas that race down the volcano at over 100 miles per hour. They can also be beautiful, creating huge displays of fireworks like explosions and rivers of molten lava that flow for miles. Shield volcanoes are the largest type of volcano and are usually found at the boundaries of tectonic plates that are moving away from each other. As the plates move apart, magma, which is molten rock, rises up to fill the gap. Over time, the magma cools and solidifies, creating a new layer of rock. This process can take thousands or even millions of years, and the result is a huge mountain of solidified lava. Composite volcanoes are smaller than shield volcanoes, but they're still pretty big. They're usually found at the boundaries of tectonic plates that are colliding with each other. As the plates collide, one plate is forced under the other. This creates a lot of heat and pressure, which causes the rocks to melt and form magma. The magma then rises up and erupts, creating a new layer of rock. This process can repeat itself many times, creating a tall, conical mountain. Cinder cone volcanoes are the smallest type of volcano and are usually found at the edges of larger volcanoes. They're created when lava erupts from a single vent or opening at the top of a volcano. The lava cools quickly, forming solid chunks of rock called tephra. Tephra can build up around the vent, creating a small, steep mountain. No matter what type of volcano it is, all volcanoes are fascinating and amazing natural wonders. They remind us of the incredible power of nature and the awesome forces that shape our planet. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more fun science videos. Volcanoes, they're hot, they're explosive, and sometimes they blow their tops off. Literally. So what exactly are volcanoes? Well, volcanoes are openings or vents in the Earth's crust that eject lava, ash, and gases. They form at tectonic boundaries where two or more of Earth's massive, irregular-shaped slabs of rock called tectonic plates meet. The place where the plates meet is called a plate boundary. And the type of volcano that forms depends on the type of plate boundary. For example, shield volcanoes form at divergent plate boundaries, where two plates are moving away from each other. As the plates pull apart magma from the mantle, the layer of rock between the Earth's crust and core rises up to fill the gap. Shield volcanoes are known for their broad, gently sloping sides and their low explosive index, meaning they tend to have relatively calm eruptions. On the other hand, composite volcanoes, also known as stratovolcanoes, form at convergent plate boundaries where two plates are colliding. When an oceanic plate collides with a continental plate, the denser oceanic plate subducts, meaning it slides beneath the lighter continental plate. As the oceanic plate descends into the mantle, the pressure and temperature increase, which causes the release of fluids from the rock, lowering the viscosity of the magma and increasing its explosivity. Composite volcanoes have steep sides and are known for their explosive eruptions. Cinder cone volcanoes, on the other hand, form when lava erupts from a single vent and is blown into the air by explosions. As the lava is blown into the air, it breaks up into small pieces called tephra, which eventually falls around the vent, building up a conical pile. Cinder cone volcanoes are usually small and have a short lifespan. Another type of volcano is the lava dome, which forms when thick, sticky lava erupts from a vent and piles up around it. Lava domes are often found at the summit of composite volcanoes and can be very dangerous because they can collapse and cause lahars, which are volcanic mudflows. Volcanoes can be both beneficial and dangerous. On the one hand, the soil and ash they create are often very fertile, which can create a large amount of plant growth. In fact, much of the food we eat today is grown on volcanic soil. Volcanoes also create new land. For example, the island of Hawaii is a shield volcano that continues to grow larger with each eruption. On the other hand, volcanoes can be dangerous and destructive. Explosive eruptions can cause widespread damage and loss of life. For example, the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines in 1991 was one of the deadliest volcanic eruptions of the 20th century, killing more than 800 people. In conclusion, volcanoes are fascinating and complex natural phenomena that play a significant role in shaping our planet. From the largest active volcano in the world to the smallest cinder cone, each volcano is unique and has the potential to both create and destroy. Understanding volcanoes is crucial for predicting their behavior and mitigating their risks. So the next time you see a volcano, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power and beauty of these natural wonders. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.